Hey, what's up everyone? So I want to take the opportunity to show you this beautiful motorcycle. This motorcycle was done over at Desperado Harley Davidson. It's a 131 stage 4 kit, some fueling cams, Trask air cleaner, Trask exhaust, a lot of real nice R&S stuff. Carbon fiber fender, nice wheels. Extremely nice suspension. Anyway guys, it was brought to us so we can dyno tune it. I just wanted to show you guys how amazing this is. If you guys have any questions on this build or this motor work, go ahead and contact Desperado Harley Davidson in McAllen, Texas. I will put their link in the description. So let's get to the dyno part. Talk about the results here. So this is 120.2 horses, 142.12 torque. The torque just comes on straight and plateaus. Look at that square all the way. We had a little bit of a hiccup here. I think the clutches might have slipped and then it regained and then it kept going, but square all the way across. Horsepower also just climbs. Really good. So here's our air fuel ratio. This is our front cylinder. So when we did the roll on, it started really good. Got a little rich, got a little lean, then it got a little rich, but overall it cleared out, went straight all the way towards the end. Same thing with the rear cylinder. It got a little rich, but not as much as the front one. And then it kind of stayed up pretty nice all the way across. Now I did, this was my last roll on, so I did stop it right around 5,000. Really started dropping off right after 5,000, so there was no reason to put more stress in the motor and go to 62 or 6,800. So anyway guys, I think this works really good. This bike, I just ran it downtown. It runs really good, very manageable, very good fuel economy at the high speeds, 80-85. You can see it in the video. It's right around 14.8 or so in the highways, down low 13.8, 13.7, which is really nice. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions on this build, feel free to give Desperado Harley Davidson in McAllen, Texas a call. If you have any questions on the dyno tuning, give us a call, or don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow, guys.